Homeowners in Layton, Utah, are well acquainted with the importance of maintaining their property values and enhancing their living spaces. One often overlooked yet impactful home improvement option is custom door replacement. Replacing your home's doors with custom-designed options can provide a host of benefits, from increased curb appeal and security to enhanced energy efficiency. Here's a closer look at why custom door replacement is an excellent investment for Layton homes. Enhanced curb appeal and personalization. Custom door replacement allows homeowners to infuse a unique touch into their home's design. Unlike mass-produced doors, custom doors offer flexibility in terms of style, material, color, and hardware. This means you can select a door that seamlessly matches your home's architectural style, creating a cohesive and welcoming appearance. A beautifully crafted custom door becomes the focal point of your home's exterior, boosting curb appeal and leaving a lasting impression on visitors. In a neighborhood like Layton, where curb appeal can significantly influence property values, investing in a custom door is a wise choice. Additionally, custom doors allow for personalized features, such as intricate glass inserts, unique finishes, and customized dimensions, ensuring your home stands out in all the right ways. Improved energy efficiency. Layton's climate, with its cold winters and hot summers, can put a strain on your home's heating and cooling systems. Custom doors are often engineered with high-quality materials and superior insulation properties, helping to reduce energy loss. Unlike generic doors, which may have gaps or poor sealing, custom doors are tailored to fit your door frame precisely, minimizing drafts and enhancing overall energy efficiency. By reducing heat transfer, custom doors keep your home more comfortable throughout the year and reduce energy consumption. This, in turn, can lead to lower utility bills, making custom door replacement a smart investment that pays for itself over time. Increased security. Security is a top priority for homeowners in Layton. Custom doors are typically designed with advanced security features that provide enhanced protection compared to standard doors. From reinforced frames and stronger locks to impact-resistant materials, custom doors can help keep your family and possessions safe. Many custom doors are constructed from durable materials such as steel, solid wood, or fiberglass, offering a higher level of resistance against break-ins. Homeowners can also choose to incorporate additional security measures like smart locks, peepholes, or reinforced glass panels. This added peace of mind is invaluable and can even contribute to lower insurance premiums. Better functionality and durability. Custom doors are crafted with precision and superior craftsmanship, resulting in a door that functions smoothly and lasts longer. When you opt for a custom replacement door, you're not only investing in better aesthetics and security but also ensuring durability. Unlike standard doors that may warp, crack, or degrade over time, custom doors often use high-quality materials designed to withstand daily wear and tear. This durability is especially crucial in Layton, where weather conditions can be challenging. Custom doors are built to handle temperature fluctuations, heavy winds, and even moisture without compromising their structural integrity. You can enjoy smooth opening and closing for years to come, reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Increased property value. Investing in a custom door replacement can significantly increase your home's resale value. Potential buyers in Layton often appreciate the thoughtfulness and quality associated with custom upgrades. A stylish, secure, and energy-efficient door signals that you've taken good care of your home, which can lead to higher offers and faster sales when it's time to sell. Noise reduction. Custom doors are often designed with noise reduction in mind. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a bustling street in Layton, a custom door with soundproofing capabilities can help minimize outside noise, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. This is particularly beneficial for homeowners who value privacy and tranquility in their living space. Conclusion. Custom door replacement is a worthwhile investment for Layton homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetics, security, and energy efficiency. From boosting curb appeal and personalizing your home's exterior to increasing security and durability, custom doors provide a range of tangible benefits that contribute to long-term savings and improved home value. By choosing a door tailored to your specific needs and style preferences, you can transform the look and functionality of your home, making it a more comfortable and enjoyable place to live.